In this type of luxury off-roading, some of the features that we have here are the leather seats. Our storage is under here, so we've got some pockets there, and this is access to where we're storing our large 10,000 watts of 48 volt power. We've got a shelf here that's easy to use, and we've got this access, posts across, bed comes down. So again, some storage here for strapping larger items or like chairs. And what I do like here is that we've got our anti-flap kits or our center bars clicked in there, my manual winder there, and I've got lots of good deep storage. This is where I'm gonna find some of my screens for my back door, some of my screens and other items that I'm gonna use in the wagon here. So let's put those guys down. We've got a backup parts there, but that's a look through some of our power and access at the back.